Wow, and welcome back to Know Your Games on Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish. Wishing all the viewers a happy Christmas. And to make my Christmas the best, I thank KYT India for sending me this amazing helmet. I'll see you right after this intro video to tell you more about this. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Wishing every viewer a Merry Christmas, and thank you KYT India so much to give me my Christmas gift, and this is the all new KYT helmet. Before we open this, I want to give you a small background about KYT helmet. So KYT helmet is a Taiwan based helmet brand which is known for creating world class helmet, and they're there in MotoGP also. So that's about international. And in India, KYT has been there in India for a while, but then in between there has been a change of hands, and there's new guys who have taken over, and they're absolutely brilliant, doing an amazing job with the helmet and making sure they're available in India. So there we have. So I am going to do a first look review of this particular helmet, which is nothing but, I know there's a lot of packing, so let me just keep this away. By the way, this is very, very useful. This is called the VISOR helmet cover, which is brilliant. And make sure you watch the video till the end, because I've given a treatment to this helmet, and to know what is that treatment that I've given to this helmet, watch the video till the end. You will come to know about that only in the end of the video and not before. I'm not going to talk anything about that. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And there I present you my all new helmet. Thank you KYT India for sending me this amazing NF-R series helmet. So this is a touring helmet. I have a 360-degree look of this helmet. And comment straight away now and tell me what do you think of this helmet. And yeah, I would love to know from your end what do you think. And this is a fantastic looking helmet. And like I mentioned, I've done some treatment on this helmet. Watch the video till the end to know more. So now let's review this helmet and tell you a little more about this helmet and its features. So like I mentioned, this is a touring helmet and it's called the NF-R. So the very important thing, it is very important to have a safe shell when you buy any particular helmet, and this particular helmet is made out of ADT, that is advanced mix of thermoplastic resin. So that's the entire shell which is made of, and this is ISI and EC certified, and the weight of this particular helmet is around 1450 grams. That's the weight of this helmet. So this has a very, very good safe shell, and this also has a high resistance to crash. So that's why it is of that particular mixture. The entire shell is going on to our next bit. And to make it aerodynamic, so this is wind tunnel tested to have the best aerodynamic, especially when you tour a lot. You need to have a good aerodynamic helmet so that your neck does not pull off and you keep straining your neck. So it's very important to have a very good aerodynamically designed helmet, which this particular helmet provides, which is the NF-R series by KYT India. Now coming on to the next point, that is variable density inner polyester liner, which absorb the impact slowly and progressively, which reduces the impact on any kind of crash. So that's another very, very good point of this particular helmet, that is the KYT NF-R. And now talking about the air intake. So this has 3 air intakes, so one at the chin and 2 at the top that you can see here. You have 2 intake on the top and 1 intake in the front, which allows good air intake and then you have two dual external exit point. So whatever air is taken in, there is a good proper exhaust, which is these two, allowing this to make it a very good optimal ventilation while you're riding, which is very, very important when you do touring. You need to have enough air coming in, and at the same time it has to exit from one side, so there is optimal ventilation when you use this particular helmet. And now coming to the internal of this helmet, the cheek pads and the inner pads are made up of bioelastic fabric to make sure this can absorb and dry as soon as possible to give you a very comfortable ride when you're using this particular helmet. So it's very important to have the proper cheek padding and the entire inside liner that you get. This allows you to be comfortable when you're riding, especially when you are doing summer riding, when you're sweating. It has to absorb everything, and then at the same time it has to dry. So it has a good mixture of sponge and bioelastic fabric, which helps you to have a very, very comfortable ride. Now let's talk about the visor bit. So this particular visor, so this is PC injected. It's an anti-scratch, and best part is this comes with a Max 70 Vision pin lock, which is pre-installed, and also comes with a sun visor, which is a brilliant feature, and especially for all those long rides, you need the sun visor. And you have this particular clip here, or the unit here, which helps you to put on the sun visor or take off the sun visor. So having an anti-scratch feature, and also with a pin lock, that is a Max Vision 70 pin lock, is a plus point. With that, coupled with that is your sun visor. I think that overall adds to the helmet characteristics and also the comfort of riding for long. That's why this is a proper touring helmet that you can currently buy in Indian market, which is given by KYT, or which is offered by KYT. And now talking about the safety. Now the retention system which this particular helmet gets is a double D, which is very, very important. So you have a double D retention system, which is one of the most safest when you are using such helmet. So that is sorted. So if you're looking for a safe helmet with double D also, this provides you that feature as well. So let me just put that. And you lock it here. There you go. So that's the double D retention system that this particular helmet gets. And also, if you see inside, let me try to give you a closer look. There is a proper pouch for your Bluetooth speakers. Whenever you're using an intercom, you have speakers. So there are separate proper pockets in both the end, which allows a comfortable fit so that it does not hamper when you wear your helmet. It has a proper space inside this helmet, which is here, where you can keep your helmet as a Bluetooth speaker very comfortably, and then that makes your ride a complete ride. So these are all the features which I wanted to review about this particular helmet, the NF-R by KYT, and I'm just in love with this helmet. And thank you, KYT India. Thank you so much for sending my Christmas gift. You just made my Christmas so special. And if you guys want to get in touch with them, so I'm going to link their Instagram page below, and you can get in touch with them, and they will help you out. If you want to buy a KYT helmet, they can tell you which is the nearest KYT store or a dealer where you can go and buy one of these helmets. So they have different models. The very first basic model starts at 6,800, I believe, and they go all the way up till 35,000 rupees helmet. So they're 7,500 rupees, 14,000 rupees, 26,000 rupees, and 35,000 rupees. Those are the different ones. So this is priced around 14,000 rupees, 14,500 or 14,000 rupees, the NF-R model. And like I mentioned, I've done a special treatment for this helmet so that it can remain the way it is without any scratches or anything. So let me just take this helmet to that place and tell you what is that I've done on this particular helmet.
A few moments later.
And I am today at Detailing Devils, and no, I've not got my car, I've not got my motorcycle, but then there is another thing that I bought here, and I'm giving it a complete ceramic coat. And this is my all new KYT NF-R helmet, courtesy KYT India. Thank you so much for giving me this helmet. That is this particular helmet. So I'm going to use this for my regular use going forward. And yeah, you've seen the video of this already. So I have got it to detailing devils, and we'll get a complete ceramic coating done here. And let's have a look of that after that. And the person here is this madam who is responsible. I'm gonna put a detailed link on the bottom and her phone number as well to get in touch. Look at this. Anything to do with cars and motorcycles, you can get it here for complete detailing. And now they do it for helmets as well, which is this. So I'm gonna get my helmet done and show you post the treatment how does that look and what are the benefits. I'll tell you after that. So let's go to detailing devils and get my helmet, which I've given for ceramic coating. So this is KYT helmet, which I recently received from KYT India. It's the NF-R series, beautiful helmet. And next that is going to be replaced with another model called R2R. So this is detailing devils, check that out. So let's go and collect our helmet. Hope it's ready. It's supposed to be ready by 2 o'clock. Let's get in. And there's Shilpa. The helmet is ready. Superb. Can't wait to see it now. And here we have fully packed helmet. Let me just show you guys what we've done. Check this out. So this has a complete ceramic coat done now. That'll keep this away from scratches and a lot of other things. So now this will help this from scratches, right?
This scratches.
Okay.
Hydrophobic.
Okay. Okay, nice.
For you to clean things, the fluorescent color will not fade off.
Okay.
It is with 3 years warranty as well.
Oh, fantastic. So I get 3 years warranty on the
3 years warranty. That 2 times you will get helmet detailing.
Oh, nice. Fantastic. So you guys come here, you'll get a lot of such offers.
It's complete cleaning of the helmet from inside.
Wow, fantastic. So I'm so happy, and finally I can use this over the weekend tomorrow. Yes. And how much is it?
Actually charge 1200.
Okay, done. So thank you so much. It was 1200 for the ceramic coating, and many more helmets to come here. So guys, next time you want to come, that's the place to come. And like I mentioned, I put the link in the description. If you want to get your helmet, anyway your head is safe with the helmet. Now let's keep the helmet also safe by having the ceramic coating done. And this place is almost busy most of the time, so you'll have to plan your days and come, and don't randomly walk in. Yes. So that's all for this video. Bye bye. See you guys. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Share this video, and this is going to be my primary helmet going forward. So all this while I've been using my AGV K3 SV helmet, and I've been abusing it to the core. Now that'll take a little backseat, and I'll use that particular helmet only for my long rides, and all my short rides, weekend rides, I'm going to use this particular helmet. So stay tuned. If you see this helmet, anybody wearing this kind of helmet, and if that person is on a Apache 160 RTR orange color, then you know who it is. You can come say hi to me and then we can have a conversation. Until the next video, keep it rolling.